Hey guys, have a really cool little jazz exercise for you to try that I promise you'll be playing for ages and ages. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna teach you the right hand part and then the left hand part, and using those bass notes, we're gonna progress across 5 different levels, and I wanna see how far you can get. Let's see what the right hand part looks like. So you're gonna first start with F and C, and then the top voice is gonna come down to B. Next shape, the bottom voice is gonna come down to E, and the last shape, the top voice, is gonna come down to A. So it sounds like this. Let's learn the left hand part. The left hand is a very standard 2-5-1 progression. We're gonna start on D, going to G, and then C. So starting on D, going to G, and then to C. Let's try to put it all very, very quickly together. So the first one would be this shape. Second shape is like this. And third shape, like this. Last shape. The left hand actually stays on the C. So in the left hand, D plays for 1 measure, G plays for 1 measure, and C plays for 2 measures. All right, let's get into level 1. Level 1 is you're just going to play both of them as quarter notes like this. And repeat. Try it. If that feels comfortable, let's move to level 2. Level 2 is where right hand's going to play exactly the same thing, but left hand you're going to play half notes instead. So Alright, if that still feels comfortable, we're going to move on now to level 3. Levels 3, 4, and 5 are more advanced, so tread with caution. Level 3 sounds like this. Now, the easiest way to play level 3 is probably through a lot of experimentation, a lot of listening to it again and again and again, and then just trying to kind of do it by feel. If you want the actual mathematical breakdown to it, here's what it is. You want to break the current 1, 2, 3, 4, each of these beats into 3 mini beats, something like this. Okay, so the right hand is playing your 1, 2, 3, 4, and your left hand, you're actually, if you break it up into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, in this level 3, you're gonna strike the left hand on the first one, and here on the 6th one, or you can say the 3rd mini beat of the 2nd beat. So let's move on now to level 4. Level 4 is similar to level 3, where we're dealing with this concept called syncopation, which is to come in and play a note on an offbeat. Syncopation, it's called. Level 4 sounds like this. Let's see if you can try to coordinate that one. But if you want the actual math breakdown to it, here's what it is. So right hand is playing your same 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand is coming in on beat 1, and the second note is coming in on the 3rd mini beat of the 3rd beat. So the right hand is going to be playing our 1, 2, 3, 4 as usual, and the left hand is going to be playing on beat 1, and also here on beat 9, or the 3rd mini beat of beat 3. So if we imagine 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. So we have da 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 da. Try it. Last but not least, we have level 5. Level 5 is a combination of level 4 and level 3. So the first measure is going to be level 4, and the second measure is going to be level 3. So it'd be level 4, level 3, level 4, level 3. It sounds like this. That concludes our little jazz warm-up exercise. If you like more fun exercises, make sure to check out my Vivaldi warm-up exercise over here. Got any piano questions? Leave them in the comments below. 90% of the content here comes from your question. Catch you in the next piano tutorial.